Dax79 here. I've got a great review coming up. It's something that I've always wanted to try, but I've never really had the spare money to get to test it in my house. I've always wanted one of those little robots that go around the floor and clean a place. I've always wanted one. I've always thought I've got quite a good floor plan for it, but I have these little wooden bits between each room. I've always thought, would the little robot get up and over? And you know, I've always wondered if they just get stuck somewhere. So it's one of those, you're not going to spend a lot of money on one to find out it doesn't work and he's stuck with the thing. But I've been sent a free one, so I'm going to try it out. So let's open it up first of all and see what we've got. As you would have seen in a lot of my videos in the past, I always point out that getting things to the Channel Islands is hard work. Usually, if it's big, it's either trashed, bashed, or it's been looked at. Someone's rummaged through it to have a look what's in there. Every time, you're guaranteed, big box. Ta-da! Right, we've got a robot vacuum cleaner. I've always wanted one of these. I hope it's as, you know, it's like meeting a celebrity that you love watching on TV, and then you meet them, and then they're idiots. Same as on these. I've always wanted one of these. Let's have a look at what we got on here. So, an AIRROBO. Hello, Robo. Robot vacuum cleaner, the T10 Plus, with laser navigation and automatic dirt disposal. Cool. Apparently, it goes around your house. It maps a place. You can use an app. You can get the app on Apple or Google. We'll have a look at that in a bit. Right, factory sealed. Good. Right, so let's get the pieces out first. Got a remote control. Instructions. Little thing. Whoa! God, this thing is heavy. Oh, jeez. My goodness. Goodness me. Yeah, packaging. Right, interesting thing about this is it's got mud on its wheels, so this must be reconditioned. And yes, we've got hair. We can do a DNA test and find out who had it last. Still not going to complain. Yeah, he's got mud coming out of him. Why am I calling it a him? Might be a girl. In fact, it might be a they. But as I say, I can't complain because I've never had one of these and I've always wanted one. He's got a couple of little scuffs on him. He's been out and about. He's definitely had a drive somewhere before. Yes. It's got rubber. It's got dirt falling out from somebody else's house. Even the little tower's not been emptied properly. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, I've got it comes free with a bag of somebody else's rubbish. Nice. So we've got our little home base, and we've got our little robot. We've got our instructions out. Have a look. Remote control. Please have batteries in. The batteries are already in it. That's another thing that shows that this was pre-owned by somebody. It was a reconditioned unit. You need to make sure he's got a little area in the house for his little body. He goes and empties himself out at. Package list. What should be inside your kit? Remote control. Check. Mop stand. Check. I've clipped it in already. Vacuum cleaner. Mop. Yeah. Disposable mopping cloth. Yeah, it's attached to the bottom of it. Dust bags. Yep. Cleaning knife. I do not have a cleaning knife here. Filter, it's already in. So it's already been built by somebody and there's dirt in it. It's somebody else's mud and hair. So I don't know how I'm going to clean it out without this little cleany thing. Yeah, I don't have the little brush. Use it for other things as well. So that piece there. How to release is a all the dirt from somebody else's house falling out. Yeah, it's definitely been a, oh man, somebody else's rubbish in here. First things first, you download the app. Download, I think I've already got this app actually. Open, yeah, I've already got this app already. Cool. So the app says, download the app. Sign in, I've already got an account. So it's already auto signed in, which is good. Press the home on button on the robot.
The vacuum pump has started.
You start talking. Add a device. Small home appliance. Robot vacuum. And we want to go robot vacuum Wi-Fi, apparently. I want to jump on another Wi-Fi. So the guest Wi-Fi is the whole house. We'll use that one. Yeah. Hopefully it means the little robot can get around the whole house without losing any connection. Okay. Power on the device, following instructions in the user manual. Right, let's bring the little dude over here in case he tries to drive off. Right, here we go. We'll hold it for ages. Just that's doing whatever.
Goodbye.
No, don't say goodbye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what it does. This is going to take some time. Let's pause this. Come back in and we're ready to map. We'll see, he's already mapped somebody else's house, you see? So I'm going to have to... That's somebody else's details from the last person who had him. So we're going to have to reset the whole thing. Start again. Reset. Confirm. We need a nice new map with nothing in him. He's got to map our house. Right, so there he is. There is no current map. Please start auto cleaning to scan map. Excellent. I think I've wiped him. Brilliant. Should we then pop him into his little house and then let him see what he does? Let's try that.
Cleanup is starting.
So my idea originally was to have this little guy basically always on in the house doing his thing. But I've come to the conclusion that would be far too noisy. Oh, you can do it.
Sensor and start away from any dangerous areas.
Well, they're not dangerous. Not dangerous, but
Cleanup is resumed.
yeah, just doesn't like them. Excellent. So it's trying to map the house, isn't it? What's going on? Well done, little guy.
Forgot to charge.
Yeah, there he goes. Just press the docking button. He's come back in. Dun, 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 dun. Like a little spaceship docking.
Starting to collect dust.
Well, there we go, we'll leave him charging. Let's have a think. Out of a rating, I can't give it 5 out of 5 because he's already got stuck twice, once at stools. If you've got curved stools, the curved bit at the bottom, he tries to drive up them and then gets himself stuck between them. Also, if you're like myself, we have these stupid little ledges between each room. He gets a little confused at times. He did get stuck on his first outing, but I think it learned very quickly that they had these ledges around the house. So I can't give him a 5-star because it's far too noisy to be running all day. It has got a volume control as in the fan speed. If you put it down quiet, it doesn't really pick a lot up from what I can tell. I need to play with the app. It will map my house, which will be quite fun. It's a shame, I thought it had a camera on it so I could see from its point of view. That would have been an amazing feature to add in, wouldn't it? Well, this is a fun little toy, so I'll give it a 4 out of 5. And time will tell if he gets used all the time. My idea was leave it running all the time, but I'm not going to do that now. It'll be once every now and then I'll set him off on a little drive around, then it docks and just leave it to him. Dax79 out.